Namaste to everyone. My friends, today I'm going to show you the Sun Salutation for beginner people. So let's start. So please first stand erect. Then please bring your hands in front of your chest in Namaskara Mudra. Then inhale, raise your arms over the head, palm facing upward. Then gently arch your back, bring your head as far as possible for you. Then slowly exhale, bend forward, stretch the back, make stomach in, stretch the legs, and slowly bring your hand just beside your feet and try to catch the ankle joints if possible for you. If not, so you can bend to knees here, and then slowly look straight, bring hands down, then please bring the right leg back here, then resting your right knee on the floor, picture toward in, then look straight here in the equestrian position, and then slowly bring the left leg back beside the right leg here, and make legs together here. Come into the Parvatasana mountain posture. Remember, please try to leg straight, back straight, and the hands if you can, so you can gently bend your knees here, and then look to your knees here, head, then slowly bend to knees down to the floor, and then slowly bend to elbows. Place your chest on the floor, then change the chin, the knees, and the big toes into Ashtanga Namaskara. And then we need to hold our breath here. Then slowly inhale, yes, come into the cobra posture, arch your back here, and then try to a little hold here, and then exhale here. We have to exhale again, come to the mountain posture again, try to stretch the legs, stretch the back here, look to your knees, here. If you cannot make leg stretch, so bend your knees here, and then slowly bring your left leg forward between your arms if you can, so you can catch the ankle, then little step forward, resting your right knee still on the floor, and then look straight here, Sanchalana Asana, and then slowly bring your right leg forward into the Padhastasana. I already described, if you cannot make your leg straight, so you can bend your knee gently, then you catch ankle joints here, but no gap between your thighs and between your abdominal muscles. Then inhale, raise your arms up over the head, then again try to arch your back here gently, and then exhale, come into the Pranam Asana in front of your chest in Namaskar Mudra. So my friend, I just did Sun Salutation with the right leg, so we have to practice with the left side also, so after it became a one round. So I hope you like that video. So thank you so much. Namaste. See you again with a new interesting video.